Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to delete Whop account. So, if you no longer want to use your Whop account, you can permanently delete it from your account settings. So, open Whop and sign into your account. Next, click your profile in the top right corner. Then click the settings icon. Once you're on settings, on the left side, select account security. Now, once you're here, scroll down and look for danger zone. So hover over to danger zone and click delete account. So here, so you will permanently lose access to all your products on Whoop and all data associated with your account. So take note that you cannot undo this action. So type delete to confirm. So let's type delete small caps and click delete account to confirm the action. So before you delete your account, you can cancel all active memberships first. So Whoop won't let you delete your account until all subscriptions have been canceled. So take note that again, account deletion is permanent. You will lose access to your purchases, memberships, and other account data associated with your Whoop account. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.